ومعنا أعزائي البروفيسور الألماني السيد كنوت فايفر. أهلا وسهلا بك معنا. First of all, I want you to explain to our audience, what is it you study? What is it about energy that fascinates you so much?
If you go back 96 years, you find Albert Einstein, who wrote E is mc square. That means since 96 years we know everything is energy. If you ask somebody today what happens if I cut this, he will tell you at the end you end in atoms. If you start to cut atoms, at the end you end in energy. That means since 96 years we know that the basic of our universe, the basic of our human beings is energy, not chemistry. Our medical point of view, and I belong to this point of view now over 30 years, does not know anything about this. We deal with chemical things, tablets,
Material.
or mechanical things,
Yes.
Operation. So if anything is energy, what is the difference between this and me? The difference is we are both energy, but the difference is over my body energy, there's my brain. This is me. I do something with my body energy. So this was my beginning over 12 years ago. And then one of my ideas was, can I see these energies? Can I try to have a look at them?
Can you measure it?
Yeah, measure is not possible right now, but to make it visual. And so these are the pictures. You can measure the energetic fields of our body from the fingertips. And there are two ways to change these energies, from outside and from inside. Everything you put into your body, any food, any drink, is at the end, at its bottom, energy, and does something with your body energy. So you can picture the reaction of your body to everything from outside or of your thoughts from inside. And these are my pictures.
طيب خلينا نشوف السلايد شو والبروفيسور هيكلمنا عليه. أول حاجة ليها علاقة بالقهوة. خلينا نشوفها كده. This is like two slides. It's before having coffee and after having coffee. What happened? What is this?
So this is a fingertip,
Okay.
Just enlarged, normally 50 times here, several hundred times. And you see the dark green and yellow energetic field that comes out of your fingertip. At the right side, before you drink a coffee, and look what happened after the coffee. Your energetic field breaks down.
I thought that coffee gives you energy. That's the other way around.
Not the one that belongs to you. It might give you something, but see what happens. So you can measure it easily. You can picture what happens to your body. Can we have the next picture?
Yes, the next one. This is before and after meditation.
See, this is, for me, one of the pictures I love most. At the right-hand side, you see again before meditation. And at the left picture, you see what happens to your fields after meditation.
So that's meditation, praying.
Exactly. So this is the same if you pray. But you might know it better than me, praying and praying is not the same. If you open your heart to divine energy that comes into your body, and your cell systems do answer, like on the left picture. If you pray different, they might not answer that much.
If you're not focused, of course, nothing happens.
Exactly. You can filter it, the amount of energy that comes into you. This is a explanation for something from inside. Yeah, meditation, praying comes from inside.
That's before and after smoking.
It's similar. So on the right side again, you see
You
somebody.
have energy.
You
Before
have
smoking.
energy, and on the left side, after smoking. Everybody can see what happened.
This is disastrous.
It is.
And how long does it last? This lack of energy.
We did not measure this because I was happy to find these things. We have to continue with our studies. We have to go much further on. This is just the beginning.
This is before and after drinking water from eunuch.
Right. So at the right picture again, you see the energetic field before and what happened after you drank water.
But how
from
come?
something. Munich water, everybody tells you, is very pure. Yes, on a chemical way, it is very pure. On an energetic way, it's a disaster. So it destroys nearly your energetic fields. This is very important because I want to show you something different in the next color. So you see what happened. On a chemical way, everything is perfect. On an energetic way, a disaster.
And that's before and after drinking Zamzam water.
Yes. You see, right picture before and left picture after Zamzam water.
It's the exact opposite.
Exact. You see what happens, Munich water, Zamzam water. I have to tell you the story of this picture. My colleagues, Hosam Osman and me, we've been in Jeddah 3 years ago, and he went to Mecca and brought several liters of Zamzam water with us. So it came into my clinic, and we stored it there for about 2 weeks or a bit longer. Then we started to do these pictures. So we've pictured about 60 persons, and they all acted like that. And we've been very astonished that after 14 or more days, after transportation from Mecca to Munich, climate difference and so on, these water did something great to your energetic fields.
And why after 20 minutes? Does this...
It's just the amount I've done always. After 20 minutes. It's very quick. If you do something into your body, or you think, your body reacts immediately. So 20 minutes is a nice time.
We believe that Zamzam water has healing powers. I mean, our religion tells us that Zamzam lima shuriba lah. So whatever we drink it for, it will happen.
So see, what do we see? We see an answer. In these pictures, we always see an answer of something that happens to you. That means if your cell systems, and the energy comes from your cell systems, answer like this on the left picture, it's like a kiss to them. They smile and say, yes, that's great. Munich water, they say, oh no, please, don't.
Enough.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's very important and so easy to see. We have to continue. How
can we judge then what to drink, what to eat, what to get inside our bodies, if this is the result? I mean, I'm astonished. I mean, maybe the cigarettes, it's a straightforward, that of course it affects your body in a negative way. But coffee, for instance, I always thought it was something that would energize every single atom of your body.
If I have the chance, I would invent something that everybody, with which machine everybody can measure its energetic fields. There's a professor in Munich I know very well now since about 12 years. He can develop such a machine. If you have this, and if you start to measure your energetic field before and after something, you will change your habit, 100%. Because as it impressed you, drinking Zamzam water or smoking or taking a coffee, you won't do it again. If it changes, and always see, it's an answer. Your cell systems do answer. They say, yeah, I like this. Oh, no, please don't. This is the first thing. And the second thing, we invented a therapy to all this knowledge. You must see, it's 12 years old. I'm dealing with this and working about this for 12 years, nearly every day. The therapy we invented is called energetic field therapy, of course. There's one picture as well. It's an electromagnetic field with very low intensity. It just gives you an information similar to Zamzam water. You can see the answer of your energetic field similar to the answers of Zamzam water. That means if I present a special energy which your energetic fields, which your cell loves, they answer. It's like a kiss. If somebody kisses you, you answer with a smile.